through adoption sa plenary with regards to the committee report that will be approved in today's hearing, Mr. Chairman, for that specific law that should be reviewed, revisit, or amended doon sa mga specific provision po. Kasi ito may problema talaga tayo dito. Napakalaki po. Dolly. Now, with regards to that, is it stipulated in that law that you have just mentioned? The powers given to the Dolly with regards to that law, or it is just a memorandum circular or an IRR?
Yun sa Immigration Act po, it's a law, Your Honor. It's Commonwealth Act 630.
No, Commonwealth Act 630 specifically defines that with regards to the alien employment permits should be the agency. Nandun po ba sa provision ng law?
I think it was added, Your Honor, because since the BI is the primary agency.
No. What added? You amend the law?
No, Your Honor. Yung mga specific
Ayon,
requirements.
yun, IRR yun. Specific, if the law never states.
It's not specific, Your Honor.
No.
So,
That is why, all the more, Mr. Chairman, that we have to review that old law. Kasi po, yung as far as I understand, with the statement coming from the BI, it is not stipulated in very specific provision of that law, Commonwealth law. Dapat? Tama po, BI? With regards to the role or the authority from the Department of Labor?
Yes, Your Honor. It just mentioned there that the BI is authorized to convert them under Section 9G of the Immigration Act of 1940, Your Honor. When it comes to the details, since the times are changing, it would be easier to amend the requirements, whether to add or...
Okay, diretso na kita. You did not amend the law because you don't have the authority to amend the law, BI.
Yes, Your Honor. Yung mga
issuances.
Yes, Your Honor. Yung issuances.
Yung
Not
issuances,
the law,
but
Your Honor.
supposedly inconsistent with the mother law, which
Yes,
is the
Your Honor.
Commonwealth law.
Of course,
Tama?
Your Honor. Yes, Your
Now,
Honor.
ganito na lang po, Mr. Chairman. Coming mismo from the BI, diretsuhin kita, BI. What's now your recommendation with regards to that old law?
Your Honor, the House of Representatives has been very generous to amend, to pass a new Immigration Act. I think it's still pending right now with the Senate or BICAM.
And that specific issue that we are tackling today with regards to the specific provision of such law, giving authority to the Dolly, which is none, never the provision, it is all about the issuances, specific issuances and circulars coming from the BI. Dapat po, malinaw yon in the new law, in the new amended law. Tama po ba?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I haven't read that part in that particular...
So you're not part of the deliberation at the committee level with regards to that amendments?
Not me, Your Honor. Other members, other probably or lawyers of the BI.
Ganito lang, Mr. Chairman, can I respectfully ask na lang po the resource person from the BI with regards to the inputs that was made by the BI during deliberation at the committee level and the approval of such bill. Third reading na po, di ba? Nasa third reading na yung Bureau of Immigration Law.
Tapos na
Bill.
yata po dito sa immigration.
Kaya nga po, paki-submit na lang po dito sa committee all the inputs that was made by the BI.
Yes,
Kasi gusto ko rin po makita kung ano talaga yung recommendation nyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, Mr. Chairman, malinaw na po. No? All those authority, ang question of the PRA, BI, DFA, yung authority of the PRA to issue visa, is it also stipulated under the Commonwealth law? Kasi last year pa to pinag-usapan natin. Ang problema kasi, last year pa, itong ang daming agencies allowed to issue visas. And ngayon, ang problema natin, with all this problem facing the country, and now, sabi nga kanina ni Chairman Abante, maybe one of the states, but I do believe this is now our problem. Question of national security. And that was clearly stated in my opening remarks. Unfortunately, Chairman Abante was not present. Nilinaw ko po, it is now an imminent problem of this country. Question of national security. Now, balikan ko lang po, BI, hindi ko po kabisado, yung community law. Nandun din po, PRA is allowed.
I think yung power po ng PRA, Your Honor, sa Republic Act, wala pong mention dun sa Commonwealth Act 650.
Wala. But of course, giving the benefit of the doubt, it might be stated in their in the law that created the PRA.
I think so, Your Honor.
Okay, anyway, but still, it still stands that the new law with regards to immigration dapat po malinaw. Coming from this representation, Mr. Chairman, I think para mas mabilis, madali yung pag-check, madali yung documentation and everything, dapat isa o dalawang agency lang. It's either the DFA or the BI lang. Now, question of BI, question of the duration of such tourist visa, napakahaba po yung 3 years. Yung extension from maximum of 6 months ata or 1 year from the DFA, gawin mo yung 3 years, napakahaba po. Well, in fact, ito po yung mga POGO employees. Sabihin mo, nandun pa rin sa kanila, hawak-hawak pa rin nilang visa at nagtatago. Eh, may problema pa tayo. Di ba? Kasi 3 years ang expiration ng kanilang visa. And 1 buwan, 2 buwan, 1 taon. Marami na pong mangyayari. Di ba? Kaya I do believe, Mr. Chairman, that in the absence of such amendment of the immigration law pending in the Senate and the House of Representatives, I think the BI should review no such issuances with regards to extension of tourist visa or employment visa for the next 3 years.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Mr.
Please.
Chair.
Yun lang po, no, yung recommendation ko. Now, sa DFA po, kasi, sa BI pala. Kasi, I will just take this opportunity to ask BI. Kasi there are resource persons that are started in contempt. Previous, no? But in fact, sa DFA, mamaya sa EJK siguro, but of course, dito na rin yung status of Miss Myla, and Harry Roque. Now from the DFA. Now, BI, there is a pending contempt order for the Pangilinan spouses. Do you have a record? When was the date that the Pangilinan spouses arrived in our country? Kasi, grapevine na nakuha ko, nakapasok na raw. Prior to the termination of the Committee on Public Accounts.
Yes, Your Honor. They got back into the country on I'll check my notes, Your Honor, but they arrived in the country sometime in April of this year.
April pa. So, paano silang lumusot? They have a contempt order from this committee. Well, in fact, the case of Mayor Dolor, he was prohibited entering the country, but of course, he was apprehended by the BI with, of course, the Philippine National Police, the CIDG.
Yes,
in
yes,
particular.
Your Honor. In the case of Mayor Dolor, Your Honor, there was a request from
No, but,
your
but
committee at that
yeah.
time. As regards the Pangilinan spouses, there was no alert list issued by there was no request for an alert list from the DOJ coming from the committee, Your Honor.
Also, the DOJ has not communicated with the BI with regards to alert list. But in the case of Eddie Yang, kasi magkasabay yun eh. Eddie Yang, Edith Tayang, and the Pangilinan spouses.
Edit Tayang po, sir, meron pong alert list yan, pero dun sa Pangilinan spouses, wala po.
O, DOJ. Nandito ba yung DOJ? Anyway, I want to